Hello, my name is Jo Langley and I work in the Learning Department at Amgueddfa Cymru-National Museum Wales. In this video, I'm going to tell you about the Welsh Baccalaureate resources that are available at Amgueddfa Cymru-National Museum Wales. So who is Amgueddfa Cymru? Amgueddfa Cymru-National Museum Wales is made up of 7 national museums. The 7 museums are spread across Wales and they each focus on different aspects of our heritage. National Museum Cardiff is sited in the centre of Cardiff. It houses exhibitions on the evolution of Wales and has one of Europe's finest art collections. St Fagan's National History Museum on the outskirts of Cardiff is an immersive exploration of Welsh life through the ages and is the location of more than 40 original historic buildings. Big Pit National Coal Museum is in Blaenavon. The coal industry was pivotal to the Welsh economy and the lives of many Welsh people. A highlight is an underground tour that takes visitors 90 metres below ground to explore the real workings of a coal mine. The National Wool Museum, in the old Cambrian mills in the Tavy Valley, demonstrates the process of turning Welsh wool into fabric. The National Roman Legion Museum in Caerleon is one of only 3 permanent fortresses the Romans built in Britain. There are remains of an amphitheatre, baths and barracks. The National Slate Museum is based at the Dinorwig Quarry in what was the heart of the North Wales slate industry. It tells the story of how slate changed the landscape and the lives of the people. The National Waterfront Museum in Swansea celebrates the mining, metalworking and transport technologies and the lives of the people involved in these industries. So how to find the Welsh Baccalaureate resources? On the Amgueddfa Cymru-National Museum Wales website, you will see Learning in the top right-hand corner. Clicking on this will take you to the learning page for all the Amgueddfa Cymru sites. Each site has learning resources to support the Welsh Baccalaureate. I will use National Museum Cardiff as an example. Clicking on National Museum Cardiff will take you to the page that lists the programme of resources offered to each age group. Key Stage 3 to 4 and Welsh Baccalaureate will take you to the Enterprise and Employability Challenge. If you click on the image, you'll be taken to the page that introduces the National Foundation Enterprise and Employability Challenge resources. All the PDF documents are listed at the bottom of the page. Document 1, the Challenge Introduction, explains that Amgueddfa Cymru has challenged your business team to design an innovative product that can be sold in one of our shops. Background information about Amgueddfa Cymru and the products it sells already is included in the document. The Trial Challenge Activities document contains a whole range of activities to help students to focus on and practice the skills they will need to develop a product and to work as a business team. The Trial Challenge contains task documents and templates such as creating a business proposal and creating a visual display for a team pitch to guide the students. There is an information document for each Amgueddfa Cymru site. This one is for National Museum Cardiff and provides background information about the museum and its displays. Resources for the Advanced Level Community Challenge are on the Amgueddfa Cymru website too. Using National Museum Cardiff as the example again, on the learning page, go to Post-16 Education. Clicking on Community Challenge, Welsh Baccalaureate, will take you to the page that introduces Community Challenge resources. The PDF documents are listed at the bottom of the page. The document Creating an Exhibition or Display provides resources to support the challenge, including information about the team members needed to create a display and the responsibilities that each individual has. The second resource pack provides information about the variety of methods Amgueddfa Cymru uses to tell stories about Wales. Exhibitions are generally a large-scale way to present objects and themes. Events such as family activities and specialist talks are one alternative method, as are iBooks and blogs. So that concludes the summary of the Welsh Baccalaureate resources. If you need more information, go to the booking section on the learning page of the Amgueddfa Cymru site that you're interested in. For example, this is the contact for National Museum Cardiff. You will then be directed towards a member of staff who can help.